testosterone and estrogen, the delicate dance of hormones. These tiny chemical messengers play a pivotal role in maintaining the body's equilibrium. Hormones are the body's chemical messengers. They are produced by various glands and travel through the bloodstream to tissues and organs, delivering essential instructions. They travel through the bloodstream, affecting many processes, from regulating metabolism to influencing mood. Hormones are integral to our daily functioning. These include growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Just as a plant needs the right conditions to thrive, our bodies require a balanced hormonal environment to function optimally. Testosterone and estrogen, often viewed as male and female hormones respectively, are crucial for both sexes. They play significant roles in physical development, reproductive health, and even mental well-being. Maintaining a healthy balance is vital for overall well-being. Practices like yoga and meditation can help in achieving this balance by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Imbalances can lead to a range of health issues. These can manifest in various ways, from subtle changes in mood to more severe physical symptoms. In men, low testosterone can cause fatigue, decreased muscle mass, and mood swings. It can also affect libido and overall energy levels, making daily tasks feel more challenging. High estrogen levels in men can lead to prostate problems and gynecomastia. This hormonal imbalance can also contribute to weight gain and emotional disturbances. For women, estrogen dominance can contribute to irregular periods, fertility issues, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Symptoms like bloating, mood swings, and headaches are also common. Low estrogen, often seen during menopause, can cause hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and bone loss. These symptoms can significantly impact a woman's quality of life, making it essential to address hormonal changes during this phase. The good news is that natural methods can help balance these hormones. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support hormonal health. By making lifestyle changes, we can optimize hormone production and improve our health. Regular physical activities such as walking, running, or yoga can have a profound impact on hormone levels. This essay will delve into these natural approaches. We will explore how mindfulness practices like meditation can reduce stress and promote hormonal balance. We will explore the power of nutrition, exercise, stress management, and more. By understanding and implementing these strategies, we can take control of our hormonal health and enhance our overall well-being. Food has hormone harmony. What we eat directly impacts our hormone levels. Certain foods can support hormone balance, while others can disrupt it. Incorporating hormone balancing foods is crucial for optimal health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale contain compounds that help metabolize estrogen. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are crucial for hormone production. Lean protein sources including fish, chicken, and beans provide essential amino acids necessary for hormone synthesis. Sugar, processed foods, and excessive alcohol consumption can disrupt hormone balance. These foods can lead to insulin resistance, which can increase estrogen production. Limiting these dietary culprits is vital for maintaining hormonal harmony. Movement as endocrine enhancement. The connection between physical activity and hormonal health is profound and multifaceted. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining hormonal balance. Stretching before a workout not only prepares your muscles, but also primes your endocrine system for optimal performance. Exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of estrogen dominance. Practices like yoga enhance flexibility and promote a state of hormonal equilibrium. It also boosts testosterone levels, promoting muscle growth and increasing energy levels. Weightlifting in particular is effective in stimulating the production of anabolic hormones. Engage in a combination of cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, or brisk walking. These activities elevate your heart rate and improve circulation, which is crucial for hormone transport. Incorporate strength training exercises that work for major muscle groups 2 to 3 times a week. Push-ups, squats, and other bodyweight exercises are excellent for building strength and supporting hormonal health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities twice a week. This balanced approach ensures comprehensive endocrine support. However, excessive exercise can have the opposite effect, leading to hormonal imbalances. It's important to find a balance that supports your health without overtaxing your body. Listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Rest and recovery are just as important as the exercise itself, allowing your hormones to stabilize and your muscles to repair. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and that fits your fitness level. Enjoyment and consistency are key to long-term success and hormonal health. Whether it's cycling, dancing, or hiking, choose activities that make you feel good and keep you motivated. The body's chemical reset. Sleep is crucial for hormone production and regulation. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate tissues, including those involved in hormone synthesis. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels, leading to imbalances. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up around the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book, to signal your body that it's time to sleep. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our hormonal balance. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with testosterone and estrogen production. Managing stress is essential for maintaining hormonal equilibrium. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. These practices can help lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. Spending time in nature has also been shown to have stress-reducing effects. Make time for hobbies and activities that you enjoy. Connect with loved ones and build strong social connections. These activities can help buffer the negative effects of stress. We are exposed to various environmental toxins that can disrupt our hormones. These endocrine mimic or interfere with the body's natural hormones, leading to imbalances. Minimizing exposure to these toxins is crucial for hormonal health. Choose personal care products and cleaning supplies that are free of parabens, phthalates, and other endocrine-disrupting chemicals. Opt for organic fruits and vegetables whenever possible to reduce exposure to pesticides. Filter your water to remove chlorine and other contaminants that can interfere with hormone function. Be mindful of plastics, especially those containing BPA, which has been linked to hormonal disruptions. While these lifestyle changes, such as practicing yoga and preparing healthy meals, can significantly support hormonal balance, it's essential to remember that everyone is different. Each individual has unique needs and responses to various treatments. What works for one person may not work for another. This is where the concept of personalized medicine becomes incredibly valuable. Personalized medicine offers a tailored approach to hormone health, taking into account your specific genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environmental factors. You can consult with a healthcare professional to determine your unique hormonal needs. They can create a customized plan that addresses your specific imbalances and health goals. Blood tests can help identify specific imbalances in your hormone levels, providing a clear picture of what your body needs. Based on your results, your doctor can recommend personalized dietary and lifestyle changes, ensuring that you get the nutrients and support your body requires. They may also suggest supplements if needed to help bridge any nutritional gaps. Supplements like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D can support hormone production and overall health. Additionally, adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha and rhodiola can help the body adapt to stress and support hormonal balance, promoting a sense of well-being. However, it's crucial to consult with your doctor before taking any supplements, as they can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone. Your healthcare provider can guide you on the best course of action, ensuring that any supplements or medications you take work harmoniously together. By embracing personalized medicine, you can take control of your health in a way that is uniquely suited to you, leading to better outcomes and a higher quality of life. Remember, your health journey is personal, and with the right guidance, you can achieve optimal hormonal balance and overall well-being. Balancing your hormones is not a quick fix, but a lifelong journey. It requires making conscious choices that support your hormonal health. By adopting the lifestyle changes discussed in this essay, you can create a solid foundation for hormonal balance. Remember that consistency is key. Make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle rather than trying to overhaul everything at once. Listen to your body and adjust your approach as needed. Celebrate small victories along the way. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle brings you closer to hormonal harmony. Embrace the journey and enjoy the benefits of a balanced endocrine system. You have the power to take control of your hormonal health. By understanding the factors that influence your hormones, you can make informed choices that support your overall well-being. Embrace the journey of hormonal balance. Nourish your body with wholesome foods. Move your body regularly. Prioritize sleep. Manage stress, and minimize exposure to environmental toxins. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Seek support from healthcare professionals and loved ones as you strive for optimal hormonal health. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you've learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.